Hi, my name is Nina and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you what I purchased. At first, several items from my holiday. I've been in United Kingdom, Edinburgh, and I purchased recommended by Karen Herons eye serum, advanced serum, sub-Q eyes, Hilamide. Like this, but packaging is a little bit strange. I agree with Caroline. But I like the product itself. It's very moisturizing, and I think I see the effect. Next item is Liz Earle Cleanse and Polish Hot Cloth Cleanser. It's set. The cleanser and cloth, muslin cloth. And I have never tried Liz Earle products, so I'm looking forward to try this one. Next is Nip Plus Fab Exfoliate Glycolic Fix Night Pads Extreme Treatment Glycolic Extreme Nude. So it's exfoliating pads with 5% glycolic acid, salicylic acid, lactic acid, and it's I like it. I've tried it once, but so far so good. Next two items was samples in magazines. It's Clinique Nude Pop lipstick. I have this kind of lipstick in color beige pop, and I like it, formula and color. But I remember that when I selected between colors, I was between nude pop and beige pop, so now I have a chance to try nude pop. And next it's Eyeko mascara Black Magic Drama & Co. I like this, very good mascara, but I have to say that it's a little bit hard to remove. I have to use makeup mascara remover for waterproof mascara. Next item from iHerb, yes, it's Deep Steep Candy Deodorizing Foot Mist. It's cooling mist for your foot, very good, but actually one from the Body Shop I like better. Next, to gift for myself. The first one is Aromatherapy Associates London set. It included Aroma Distress Body Wash, 2 bath and shower oils, and the candle. So it smells like a Thai spa or spa salon, so I think it would be great for winter. And next thing, it's Ole Henriksen set Happy Holidays from Scandinavia. It includes 2 eye creams, Ultimate Lift Eye Gel for night, Ultimate Lift Eye Cream for day, Sheer Transformation Face Cream for day and night, Truth Serum Collagen Booster Serum, and Pure Truth Melting Cleanser. So it's also cleanser which you have to use on dry skin and then remove it with water, like hydrophil oils. And there are gifts with purchase in these cool things. It included Persian Red Smooth Sealed and Sensational Volumizing No Oil Oil. I have not tried it yet, so I don't know. Next is Nuxe Rive de Mille Hand and Nail Cream. I think it's okay. I think I've tried it. Next one, Elemis Hydra Balance Day Cream. Hope it's good. Next two items I've tried. It's Murad HA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser. Very good one, and I think it could be used instead of Dermalogica powder. It has little bits inside, so it's kind of cleanser gel and scrub in one, but very delicate scrub, so I like it. And next one, Monu Firming Moisturizer for dry skin. I have oily combination skin, but it's I've not breaking out from this. I have I like it so far, so it's okay, good product. I've tried Thalgo product earlier, and it has the same smell, marine something. Also, so I'm not fan of the smell actually, but it's I think it's good product so far, so good. And last things were included in this gift. It's eyeshadow brush, look good, feel better, so good synthetic brush, and it's dirty now because I use it with one of my eyeshadows. It's from Lancome Holiday 2015 collection. It's Hypnose Dazzling eyeshadow 205 Brun Cabas. I have this on my eyes now. Looks like this. Very unusual color, but very good for blue eyes, I think. Next to purchase was next two items was purchased from Dior Holiday 2015 collection. It's nail polish Diorific in color 001 State of Gold, the same as collections gold. And next item is lipstick. It's Diorific Matte 430 Radiance. Looks like this. Mostly I wanted to buy it because of packaging. It was my dream long time. So I have this lipstick on my lips now. So it looks like this. Very neutral, light color, and I think it's very beautiful. And last but not least, it's Guerlain 2015 collection, holiday collection. It meteorites. So very unusual for meteorites packaging, and I sold it. Very beautiful. I have a mirror here. Things. Smells, I think it's different from other meteorites of Guerlain. Very beautiful. There are stars and balls. Very beautiful. Very beautiful collections from Guerlain holiday collection and from Dior, because of packaging. And the quality of products, of course, also very great, but packaging is just wonderful. And this color, this particular color from Lancome holiday collection, very good. So that's all about my purchases. Hope it was interesting for you, and see you next time. Bye.